Hey guys, Will here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a Google form and how to get notifications with that form. So we just go over here to our drive and we hit new, and then we go down to Google Forms. Once we're on Google Forms, we just go here and we can title it from here. Usually it's for debriefs. We use these forms for debriefing with directors, regional directors, and this keeps the owner in the loop, the regional director in the loop, and the director in the loop. So I'm just going to generically title that debrief. And then we're going to do a couple questions here. We'll just do name. And you hit this plus sign over here. And we will do something like cleanliness. And when we're doing this, it'll kind of determine what the type of question it is and try and give you the best setup for responses. So in name, it gave you short text answer. And for cleanliness, it automatically did a scaling, which is actually really good for this type of question. We'll put that on 10. But if you wanted to change it, you just hit this drop down here, multiple choice, check boxes, drop downs, and other types of responses, date and time, etc. So 1 to 10 works perfectly for this type of question. So we'll just go ahead and put in not clean for 1 and awesome for 10. All right, so this is the basic type of form, and you could just keep going. We want to make these required so that they always get filled out. And what we really need to know is how do we get these responses once they are filled out. So if you click the responses here, as the creator of the form, you can just hit this triple dot button and hit get email notifications for new responses. This says email notifications enabled. So we have that set up. Now, where are the responses going? The responses are going to go to a spreadsheet. So if you click the green spreadsheet button here, it'll actually create a new spreadsheet for you that is titled the exact same way as your form. You can change this if you'd like. I'd recommend keeping it the exact same so that you know that is the responses to the debrief form. So if we click create, it'll open up this spreadsheet for you. And on this spreadsheet, it has a timestamp automatically for when it was filled out. It has the name and, of course, the rest of the questions that you plug in to get the responses to. Now, for other members to get the notifications, like you might want your director or your regional director to get these responses, like regional director would get it, as well as the owner, you would want to make sure that it is shared with everybody who needs to see the responses. So in order to do that, you just share that, and then what you would have to do to get the notifications is you go into tools, and then you go into notification rules. Once we're here, you can see it says notify me at my email address because I'm logged into my account, and I want to know when a user submits a form, and then I want to know right away. You can choose something like Daily Digest. I don't recommend it because it might just get buried in your emails, whereas right away you know that when this thing is filled out, you're going to get notified. So here we're going to save this, and boom, that is set. So as the creator, I'm actually going to get notified twice. I'm going to get notified that the form, a response was done on the form, and then I'm going to get notified when this spreadsheet updates with the response. So anybody else who has access to the responses would have to go into the tools and set up their own notification rules. So this will be something that you'd have to walk through with your team to make sure that your director or your regional director or whoever needs access to the responses of the forms gets their notifications set up correctly. And it's just that simple. They log into their Google Drive. They will have access to this shared form, and then they'll go into tools and set up their rules. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Make sure you get these forms up and running. They are imperative. They are awesome. They help you run smoothly throughout the school year and summer camp. And I will talk to you guys later.